Good evening. Union. Bro, the information kitwebina manyana medema semestra who say unia be a generalist and I say will be all man panyfunu be a sandema omo. And yama boni bia nkrophobia class ya planning ewo mine mu. Emwa mine. As I ought to mamu na unya information sa na one farmer unia no ababe mambo 4. Ni nyina ne say ti NDC ya class on say NDC for no afrefre generalist for no ni media for no bibire ama musika so omummo aban na chi said ye be ya ombehu se aban ni nyuma nye nti sesi ana eno hu adwuma na esi Ghana generalist omo ye on say se bibire na sole aginam ene aban no kikikiki nya asem ketewa especially ni microphobia omo fudi omo ni mo de adwuma na be ye omo because omo no de se omo musika de a na se usi fie ma omo a aban ni nyuma ni nyina o ye na ye. But Sabani discarded the ball, man, and that's one and talk car and Tamusika man, man, incosi fie dia. The Abani ye bianya dear bay, and yet. And non as is yano, and this is for no room. I must uncle says echo 4 times on us, uncle for no bow on Omo boa omo, and more to me by power, until then, Omasani or mono, the evening command no mon Cassina, no more son of Fred or more, or more Tressica more, you say no mujinum, yes, Edmund be brave. Ne di womu kese ne sesi an ndisi fo na san tenase aprane ade fofora afa san krofo na omo no maye san hye no hu ani sesi an omo bekunkum san krofo no omo bebo bituo ne yaka se nipa na ebo aban na chi no na aban na asma ne krofo am ya bebo wo mutuo especially krofo omo ese na abeye ayam omo pa yes face the country fo no omo mu di animu no so man ye kese careful unim bia sendema no nditi fo akofa nkrofobia chedeze no omo betrase news ankrofo na be ye yipa omo bekunkum wo mu ni akase eya aban no so chase enti no sesi ano aya ni break ade kese a aba omo animu sesi on nani 3 days no mo kotenase e prane sa ade no the nditi fo no dinka ma nkrofobia de petition akome ma American embassy no se de be ya ye bekasa aban ni generals fo no media fo no eni omo animu ye said be ya yem pese o mo be kasa said be ya o man no mu no e be ye dede ni ade ade ntino ise wa wo so se wo bobo aban na chi bia na ndisi fo na asan ma sika no o mo ba be kun ndisi ase unu e bi journalist asande ma no no mo na ni na ho se si anu ade ndisi no no nkrofo ndisi fo no asande aye de be aya afa wo mo ho no said be ya ye be kasa aban no na empese obi be kasa no obi be ka de o ye ntino e de kunkum wo mu especially Canada Japan ombe mankrofo ni Canada Japan be ye dede emu ye be fo mu abobi no mutuo ombe kasa ye Canada Japan na am ye kokum sa nkrofo no nti so mati nkrofo bi a ene ye sa adwuma na ezi a omo ba be ye but yansi yate sa asem no ensese ye de be ye transfer na ni 3 days no mo kotena ase ofo so mpofo so fo azoka wa tie dunkati ani mpayifo bi a minim wo mudin na kotena ase hye sa anhye ye no asisi a no na tisi a mo de beto wo manimu especially surface the country for no omunye very very careful NDC prane o ma prane for mo na wo akogi sika wo NDC ho no isi a wo nkwa eda asan mu se de be ya ye be kasa aban na be kunti no wo mo ankasa no se fa akira ba de be aba be bo utuo akunkum mu se de be kasa ya aban na ntino bro Mr. Wasasi we ade a ye serious wa mo bi ate on tana so unu mfanyi bi asande ma no wo anamfo bi so generalist na no asande ma no munye very very careful the NDC aprane e wo ma animu no we na me ehunu se ne ma kase esisi o ma animu nyina ne ye kasa ye wo mo ano se ya mpa nti bro sande ma obi a unim ni bia me da se
in the minds of the NDC semutimi call communicators meeting na mo kohwe mo communicators challenge na muntimi address mo internal weaknesses na muntimi nka what mo challenges na say mo challenge as a communication bureau and as a team no any say oman enyama boy den insecurity and no mo challenge as a communication team then you can equally understand the way omo kan mo nsem and I kwan akwaku fa so kan nsem and I nipa see omo party nanim omo call radio so call TV so the way omo kan mo nsem because at such a retreat, one would expect, say, they also require purposeful and strategic communication. Now, challenges, they say, insecurity, and there are challenges to your purposeful and strategic communication. Adabraka. That's just it. Nyomko ye mugu any sika say, how can you see one basic incompetence? Straight away,
I'm going to show you crying.
Now, question won't cry.
That's all.
nia ebu ma bemu ti a muntimi communicate ye no mo ntimi adwen ho de mo kodwe ho ne se obi akobo obi to nti enu nti na muntimi hye mu nkran kasa yi nie nti a mo kasa mo die didi atem ana mo kasa ti ampanifo mo twa nkontompo ene propaganda no eno ne se obi kobo obi to ana eno ne se kwaku say prices ekoso in any case o pa compare prices o ma yen nyina ye wo phone tie no pa yen fa prices of item na yen check line ono na o wi anu aka che say sa tete niama no se o men fa mbem Google says ya na bisa the price of cement at the time ayeru akufo efi aban na check say no me na nkomo be na no di what is he comparing what you aka che say second ke buy Rollins says here Rollins so dia odi o mapeni ene odi o mapeni ene so why is he talking about Rollins when the man is even dead and gone? He was a president over 20 something years ago and you are still referencing him. Check from 92. It didn't all come. Now we to politics. I be me politics. Now what show say? Yeah, be can be. Na kwa. It yen to ya no na can enter now. No kind of. There you mind there be. So person to politics. I am tell say. Yen ko back. Person ya compare no hu ne level no hu say. Na ban na no me diga na mo. It do the onfa Mahama Mills time. And I'm say 2009. On checking the price of cement. It's online. You will get it. No share baby on with the bedu here and sound on mufia bem 35 Ghana cedis no. No share baby on mufia here. Yen fa CD crack keke CD. I'm not here bem. You say 1 CD on baby na 1 CD 10 pesos. On mufia bem na CD na I'm saying share the rate of increase. Share rate of depreciation na share there. Now we say no nkofo o ma diga na my bro. See the need to take on some and I saw for Ecogena solid bonfire. Say yen see the Nimraso. That is the record of the NDC. All schools and was yo, and I'm buy a car, busy or cowboy to see this number of schools. You see, say I see about compare, and compare in terms of education crown. More breya to the sense of basic school, chalk or cry was some of the more catch some more, don't pay your money. Yen cabin soon yen cabin says, this is the first time free SHS about Mama Tana South free SHS no. Some expenses now in care no. Say next year see these schools now only quantity and by now. Yes see. Onshare expansions are also our existing schools no infrastructure by way are here to make sure say obey double track nefi no. No fancy saying say be dey be America onye first say over be school dan keke si o. Etin na most of the e-blocks now they go yes baby and nkofo kwa equals to wide omudin. Some of the e-blocks and now many can say it is the present government. Anna it equals boarding facilities and they attach it send a beya kono ama nkofo akọ school. Osi wu musa o say ebi o takrase mi am kom achem takrase brawo aban government will be transfer AC boarding facilities. Komisa abajama o last year ton. O ka sa mi ti adi na mi ti o. O esa me ka so o mi e bi sia obedi matam ti me ka. But the truth of the matter is much more nursing training allowance for much teachers training allowance musemu lectures book and research allowance musemu farm. That is the record of the NDC. Your educational. It is all Tiano say now cancel now to gumu basa and a mama see Africa bubonya makuma kubidia won't cash. Then you are making comparative analysis. Now we say someone okay who cast and make informed decision be able say and kawako strategic and purposeful retreat aba it is such a aba mo communication mo aka this is the time and can is to simple near compare actually so okay if your education over health and then so ana NDC aban mo ye and then so na MPP aban ye ba ye buy nursing training allowance amosi o mine ni sika muntia amuko school ba one of the first initiatives Albani take here was to restore the allowance and make sure that Kwani sound mind. I'm on the Momo time, over 2017 report about and say Ghana, we Amsterdam, Africa, we improve na Ghana, there was a policy born in Ebia Muteki, maybe a susu so no. Because now Kwani be all wɔn kɔ school a deɛ ɔmbɛdi kɔ ano ɛden nti allowance na wɔn de twitwa wɔn na anka wɔn ntumi tenetene wɔn no they have to resort to some of these unnecessary relationships a lead to mprewanyinsɛn eti saa adwene na ne ti mpɔ papa na wɔsɛ nkwa atena ase edisua ade nkwa na ebi ni hɔ no over every facet of our economy there were challenges agric ne nhwɛ growth and na ɛkɔ so etiti pansa most of the agric products now they were going negative and they are buying by hwɛ ɛba sɛ lockdown aba amane amane nyinaa wontimi nkɔ wontimi mba wontimi import hwɛ Ghana food sufficiency in the recent times food index ɛba no kɔhwɛ baby ana Ghana da that shows you the performance of this government. It is a binyano keke no abetna and the digitization agenda buying by our pursue musa na pese muti yeru amamud ba omia atem no hwe okwan faso eboa Ghana and now no amote say Twitter aba be see head office of Ghana no mo fe say fufule o mo fe say Twitter for sorry no mo so mba be see Ghana. It's about the infrastructure, it's about the development that has gone on in the space. For Nigeria for do Twitter and I say what social media so never to Ghana for do ye ndum kwata kra e den the man sign Nigeria sign Kenya e ba Ghana e be see sa infrastructure no and now go bank now go pay loan now look at the interest rates what was the interest rates amamo bone so and amamo papa
so for the records and then the credit say MPP Amanyu couldn't buy no. One started from the scratch. NC a year school idea. Inti Mamingo school. Oh
Tell me.
On my now set is a record.
Set a record on a walk and I